guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money by chatting with people online, by listening to people online. There's a platform I'm going to take you step by step and show you how this can be done. Now we all know that so many people make money online as side hustle. Now the side hustle I'm going to show you today is a side hustle that you will get involved in and you're going to make a lot of money. There are people that join platforms and they need support to chat and meet people. So if you sign up to such platforms to assist people to carry on meaningful conversation, adult conversations, you're gonna earn yourself some money. Now the job of the E moderators is to make sure that the participants on the platform, they abide by the rules of the website. Like the chatting websites, there are rules and regulations that guide them. So if you're a moderator for such platforms, you will make sure that those people who come onto that platform to chat and meet people, they abide by the stipulated rules and regulations of the platform. And you also make sure that they have meaningful discussions by monitoring and assisting and helping them to get that meaningful conversations. They also monitor public online chats and spaces to make sure that the participants, they actually get a welcoming environment to discuss and chat and meet other participants as well. So you find out that this moderator job is not tasking, it's not hard, it's not difficult, it's something that anybody can do and make money. Now as an moderator, there is another task that you have to bear in mind. You have to be somebody that will not be biased in the way you handle the chat and the conversations of the people on the platform. Now remember, what this is all about is you assisting adults to engage in meaningful conversations, to meet fellow adults. Like there are people that are looking for love, but they don't know how to go about it. There are people that want to be in a relationship, but they do not know how to carry out meaningful conversations, to meet people, engage with people, and all of that. So if you're an moderator, this will be your job to help and assist those people. And as you're doing this, you're getting paid. If you have been here before and you decided to come back and watch my videos, thank you so much. You're welcome. And if today is your very first time, thank you so very much. I appreciate you. So stick around with me and I will take you step by step, show you how all of what I've been talking about can be achieved. Welcome back to my channel. This is Online Cash Craft. Okay guys, so this is you go to Google and you type in emoderators.com and this is their website, how it looks like. Now it says looking to work from home. E Moderators offers you the chance to earn an income from home. So this is a side hustle that you do from the comfort of your home, right? With the highest rate you can find up to 24 € per message. So if you want to start this, you just click on start. Now what do we offer? Now what they offer is working as a moderator gives you the opportunity to earn money from day one. You can work when you want and from wherever you want. So this is obviously a side hustle that you can do from anywhere in the world, wherever you are. Okay, and if you look down, it says choose your own hours. So you are the master of your own time. This is not 9 to 5. You decide when you want to work and from where. And they have competitive salary. That means their salary is so good. In the course of this video, I'm going to show you how much you stand to make when you sign up to this platform. They also will pay you weekly It's not something that they pay you at the end of the month. No, freedom of work. So you have this freedom if you decide to go with this side hustle, and you work wherever you want to work at any time that suits you. Okay, and what do you need for this? You only need your computer and internet connection. Guys, this side hustle is the internet. Now remember, I said on this platform I will only bring side hustles and how to make money that will benefit everybody. So what is progressive pay? Now they have this thing that is called progressive pay on this website. The more messages you write, the more money you will earn. This is what progressive pay means. Okay, now how much do you stand to make? You can earn up to 350 euros per week, and it doesn't end there. You can earn more than this. You can definitely earn more than this. It depends on what you want and how much you want to earn. At the end of the day, everybody's case is not the same. There are people that will go all out for this because of what they want. Now, what do you need? Like I said, your Wi-Fi, your laptop, and a bank account. Why do you need a bank account? Obviously, they're going to pay you when you earn your money. So you need a working bank account for them to pay you your money. Okay? And there is no particular bank account that they need. No, any bank account of your choice is what you're going to add when you're signing up. And they're going to give you free training as well. So you're not paying anything when it comes to their training. Okay, so another big question is, how does this actually work? How does e-moderating actually works, right? So this is the platform here. This is how it works. Now, they're going to provide you with personal tutor. Okay, so that personal tutor is going to put you through on what to do, right? Your job will be replying to messages. That is what your job will be. And as I said, you're going to choose your working hours. So what messages would you be replying to? The messages on the platform. This is part of the task that you're going to be completing, part of the job you're going to be doing on the platform. Now, they're going to provide you with personal tutor. I said it. And that personal tutor is there to support you. Okay? Now, you're going to have personal Skype or email. If you don't have Skype, your email is enough. Okay? But then, having Skype is not difficult. All you need is just you either download it or you sign up with Skype. Okay. And another thing is, the highest payment in the industry, these people boast of it. They pay you 10 euro cents and up to 24 euro cents per processed message. Not for all the messages, but per processed message. Now, you can log into their website without any downloads. It's not a platform that they're going to tell you, oh, you have to go to this and that and download the app. No. And guess what? This platform will pay you weekly. Yeah, you heard. They do weekly pay. And they have so many payment methods as well. Give me a subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, do not forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Okay, so if you click on where it says about us, this is where you're going to get information about these e-moderators. International Consolidated Company, right? And they are content moderators for online websites. Okay, remember the intro that I gave before this point. Now, what you do, they do chat services. So bear that in mind, that is what this platform is all about. Chat services. You're going to moderate some people that will be on the platform chatting. Yeah. And remember, this is an adult website, adult social networking. So bear that in mind. So because it's an adult social networking, you must be at some certain age for you to be able to sign up to become an e-moderator, because it's for adults. The people you're going to moderate are adults, and you that is going to moderate them, you should also be an adult. Yeah? Okay, so I cannot overemphasize the fact that so many people are making a lot of money with this particular platform. Yeah, this is a very good way to make money by the side. Now, how do you make the money? You moderate people. There are people that have this talent of when people come to them, speak with them, at the end of the day, by the time they finish speaking to those people feel good. They feel better. They unburden themselves. This is what it's all about. So what are they looking for? They are looking for responsible, committed, and free-thinking people. So if this describes you, then this is the right platform for you. Right? If you're a responsible person, you're a committed person, and a free-thinking person, this platform, I tell you, is good for you. And you're going to make a lot of money. Yeah. Now, making all your payments on time and for the correct amount is what they boast of. Every people that have engaged with them, this is what this platform is known for. They make sure you get your money, and they make sure not only that you get it on time. You will not be tied down to a contract. You will have the flexibility of choosing your own hours that better suits your lifestyle. You can imagine. So the contract they will give you is up to you if you want it or not. So you choose what suits you. So click on application, and under the application, this is the application process. How can you apply to become an e-moderator? The role of a chat moderator is to engage in text-based chats on adult social networks. Remember, this is for adult social networks. So for you to become a part of this, right, your role is to entertain the user with stimulating conversations and to encourage the engagement of a long-lasting relationship. Take this on board, have this in mind, that this is what is required of you. Now, the key factors they are looking for is the ability to create and develop an imaginative and engaging experience for the user. So if you think this suits you, if you think you fall into this criteria they're looking for, this is a very good platform. How do you sign up to the platform? The first requirement is for you to add your name. Now you add your email address, add your age. Remember why they need your age. It is an adult website. That's why they need your age. Now you're going to select your country. Okay, you can see every country of the world is represented here. That is why they said you can do this wherever you are in the world. So select your nationality. When you select your nationality, every nation of the world is also represented. You can see, so you just go ahead and you do that. Now, after you have selected your nationality, you're going to go ahead and select your country of residence. Then you select the country where you want to apply. Yes. Where do you want to apply? So You have Australia, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Singapore. So these are the 5 countries where you can apply to do this. Now you check availability. Under this availability, according to CE, and that's Central European time, do you want to work day, afternoon, or night? Now you put your work experience. What kind of job have you done in the past? Have you done this kind of job? And then when you are done, you click on next and complete the signing up process. Okay guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so very much for watching. If you have any comment, please leave it in the comment section. And I wish to see you in my next video. Once again, thank you.